What is up, guys? Welcome to my unboxing video of these Google Pixel 6a. So I got these in the mail today. They just came in. I got the Pixel Buds that came with them, so we'll take a look at those. But let's go ahead and take a look first at the device here. Let's go ahead and crack these seals, get this thing opened up, and just take a look at it, see what it looks like. There's been leaks and I guess videos of them already, but I just want to check it out, see what I got, see what mine looks like, see what all it comes with. So here's the phone. Let's see what it comes with in the box. We do have, just the cord. Tends to be the new thing. You get the cable to plug into, but if you don't have the box, that the power cube that goes into the wall, then it's going to be kind of tough to charge this guy. We do have an adapter. I believe this is for transferring data. So there's that. Got the cable. Inside we got a SIM eject tool out here. Let's take a look inside. See what we all got. Just some paperwork to read over. Instructions for, I guess, firing it up, how to turn it on. And then just more of the manual. So nothing too juicy there. But once again, there's the trend of not giving you that power cube, the new thing we're trying to recycle and save and whatever. But they should every once in a while add in, every other couple series, they should add in a power cube, especially when they change, to a Type-C or something like that. So there you guys have it, the Google Pixel 6a. Really cool, nice looking back. Just a little thing for our cameras, for our flashlight. A little strip there. Pretty cool looking. I did get the charcoal gray color. Looks pretty cool in the back here. It is feels like a glass back. So that's cool. Aluminum, feels like an aluminum frame. As we look here on the left side, we got a SIM tray down here. On the bottom, charging port, and then 2 speakers. Take a look at the right side, the little, I'm assuming the power button, and then volume up and down. And then up here we got a little sensor up top, the front-facing camera. There's no home buttons, nothing like that. Nothing to click, just the sleep-wake button here on the side. But overall, pretty cool device. I will be doing lots of tutorial videos with this guy, so if you guys are interested in seeing those, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Let's go ahead and open up this guy. Take a look at these headphones. It all was part of the package, or it's part of the deal. When you pre-order, they're hooking you up with some Pixel Buds, the A series. I'll be doing some videos on this as well whenever I get the chance. Let's go ahead, open these up, see what all it comes with. So we got the little marshmallow itself, the carry case. Let's open this up, and I did get the dark one, so I should have, wow, they look almost green. I thought they were going to be gray, but there's that little charging port at the bottom, a light. There's that light that indicates how much life is left up there. A little button down there. Well, let's see what else we got in the box. Once again, charging cable with no box. Got the cable with no power cube. Got some reading information, and then here are some spare little buds to put in your ear. So there's that, and just some more reading information. I won't bother pulling that out. Let's go ahead, pull one of these guys out just to see what they look like. It's kind of interesting. This will go in your ear. Kind of flattens it out while it's in the case, so that's I guess that might not be too bad. Little rubber thing to kind of help hold it in. Power button to use. So there you guys have it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little pieces. Samsung, or not Samsung, Google Pixel, the Pixel Buds. So there you guys have it. That is my quick, just kind of unboxing and first look video.